Just don't run Chinese lights on your guns. Today we're talking about the difference between American-made lights and Chinese lights. So this one is the Streamlight ProTac Rail Mount 2. Comes with the nice Picatinny rail mount. I really like this light. You can unscrew it right away, and pull it off and on, super easy. So if you're camping and you brought your gun, forgot a light or something, you can just run and grab this and you're good to go. It's got a nice machined aluminum frame. It's got the just on. It's got a strobe mode. It's got a temporary on, and it comes with a nice high quality pressure switch as well that can be either stuck on, or it can be zip tied, or various other methods. Really just all around good quality. It also is IPX7 rated, so waterproof. I know it's waterproof for a fact because this has spent many hours in a bathtub for whatever reason. That's what when you have 2-year-olds. Anyway, so great light, highly recommended. This is one that I just bought for an AR that is not a self-defense one. I didn't want to put a ton of money into it because it's just fun to plink around on the range. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to try a Chinesium light. That's what this is made out of. It's called Chinesium. They don't teach you about that in school, but that's really what it's made out of. And then after about 350 rounds, it stopped working. Kind of a bummer, but what was I expecting? So if you listen, you can hear a little bit of a rattle in there. So if you pull this one apart, okay, so after pulling it apart, so you can see the first split of the thread. So this is where the body threads in, and then this is where the light threads in, the threads down there. But there's actually a break in that second set of threads. It's really hard to see partway down. You might be able to see it. But anyway, so that machined aluminum there just completely snapped in half after 300 and some odd rounds. And then the light stopped functioning. So really kind of a bummer. I paid $30 for this. I paid like $120 or something for the other one. So 4 times more, but that one has been going for a lot more rounds than this one. This one's already dead. So it's really kind of a bummer. Okay, so the only way that I can get this to work is if I don't thread it into those threads that were broken, which leaves this cap not being able to screw in all the way, which, I mean, this has no waterproof rating to begin with, but now it definitely wouldn't be waterproof at all. So this thing is a piece of junk. Okay, when we're comparing the two lights side by side with fully charged battery, this one is rated to like 600 or something lumens, and this is a GoPro, and it sucks at light. At night recording anyway, but you have a good throw. I mean, it's going clear out to that barn up there. It's pretty solid. Can't complain. Here's the other one. Oh, gotta hit it for it to work. Okay, and you can see its throw. I mean, the GoPro doesn't really do it justice for either of them, but its throw is not nearly as good. There's the two kind of side by side at the same distance down there. So you can't even really see that hardly at all. Okay, so I'll leave it up to you, but at the end of the day, you saw the side-by-side, Chinese versus American, and I guess this is made for them, but design America. But I would steer clear of the Chinese lights unless it's for a cheapo 22 long rifle gun or something like that. If you have any other comments or experience with your own personal lights or your personal preference on brands, I kind of like Streamlight. If you can afford Surefire, great. But please put those in the comments below. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.